Welcome to ShortView Trading. This is your 1 minute market hit for Monday the 2nd of December. What matters today and this week for traders? Well, markets are trading higher overnight in the Asian trading session. The S&P futures has put on a whole bunch of points, driven, we believe, by the better than expected Chinese PMI data for both services and the manufacturing sector. That's very encouraging in terms of the whole global economic reflation argument and reacceleration that we've been pushing. And of course, you're seeing that play out in US 10-year bond yields as well, which, as you can see from the chart, are moving quite meaningfully to the upside. So our view is, as articulated last week, remaining long risk assets, S&P, Russell and other. All of that is detailed in today's daily rag, available on the website and to subscribers. So what are we watching today and this week? 5 key things. Firstly, it's a big data week in the US. ISM manufacturing comes out of the States today. This is particularly important in terms of the subcomponents. Will new orders bounce again as they did last month? If you look at our regional model that we're showing you now, from regional ISM surveys, which comes out earlier than the headline ISM survey, it suggests a bit of a bounce that should continue. That would be encouraging. That's key. Inventories is also a key part of that ISM data point later on today. Payrolls data in the States, that's key. US non-farm payrolls is critical, comes out on Friday. Not only are we interested in the amount of job creation, but also the wages. And of course, you can see this chart in front of you. We split US wages by state into oil and non-oil. And of course, the sogginess in wage inflation has been in the oil states recently. And at some stage, there'll be a delta effect, a sort of year-on-year effect, whereby that sort of weakness will dissipate and you'll see a little bounce in the oil, and that will support wage inflation more generally. So that'll be key. Over and above that, we're looking at PMIs globally, not just in the US, but across the globe. They've started to come out in Asia. That will continue all the way through to Wednesday, Thursday, with some service sector PMIs across the globe on that day. On top of that, we're looking at OPEC. OPEC is key, meeting Tuesday to Thursday in Vienna. Will they cut? No cuts are expected, but they may well surprise. The oil price is interesting overnight in terms of being quite firm. And then finally in the UK, we're watching the election leaders debate, as well as all sorts of other bits and pieces on the election. That debate comes through later this week with Corbyn and Johnson debating on the BBC. Given the weakness in the polls for the Tories, a little softening in their lead over the weekend, that debate could be quite important. So that's it from us. That's your 1 minute market hit for Monday the 2nd of December. Please do subscribe on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter or Facebook. Thank you for listening.